Hey everybody, welcome back to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Are you tired of watching your grocery bills? Well, they're adding up, ain't they? Well, wishing there was a way to keep your meals fresh and affordable and easy? These meals are here to help. Whether you're saving for a big goal or you just want to cut down on your expenses, these budget-friendly recipes are a game changer. I have 20 recipes for you guys today, and so let's go ahead and kick it off, and hopefully you can stock a little bit of that money that you will save away for a rainy day fund. Number one is the one-pot veggie pasta. Its simple ingredients is just pasta, canned tomatoes, and your favorite frozen veggie. Done, voila, 20 minutes. And number two is rice and beans bowl, protein packed with super versatility. You add some spices like cumin and chili powder for tons of flavor, which leads me to number three, homemade veggie pizza. Use store-bought dough or even toast as the base, and you can top it with cheese or any veggies. And there you go. If you love pizza, this is a great pizza night. Number four, stir-fried Roman with veggies. You add an egg, frozen veggies, and your favorite seasoning to make this classic, more satisfying meal. Number five is going to be the taco rice bowls. You cook up some rice, some beans, taco seasoning, and top it with salsa, shredded lettuce, and cheese for a taco-inspired bowl. And next is egg fried rice. You can use the leftover rice, scrambled eggs, frozen peas, and a bit of soy sauce to create a delicious dish that comes together in only minutes. And then number seven is lentil and veggie stew. Lentils are super affordable and quick to cook. You add carrots, onion, and spices for a hearty meal perfect for chilly nights. Number eight, chickpea curry. Simmer canned chickpeas in a mix of tomatoes, and then you add some coconut milk, curry spices, and serve over rice for a meal that's comfortable and inexpensive. Next is spaghetti, but not just any spaghetti. It's a classic Italian pasta. You add some olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of chili flakes. Simple ingredients, but big flavor. Number 10, loaded baked potatoes. You bake or microwave some potatoes and top it with anything you have like cheese, sour cream, chopped veggies, or even leftover chili. Okay, if you've made it this far, we're halfway through the 20 meals, and I just have a quick tip. Plan meals with ingredients you can use in multiple recipes. Buying versatile basics like rice and pasta and frozen vegetables will save you so much time and so much money. You can make bigger batches to have leftovers for the next day. It's like cooking once and eating twice. And number 11, vegetable soup. This one is great for using up your leftover veggies. Add broth, spices, and pasta or rice if you want. It's filling and it freezes well too for leftovers. Number 12 is stuffed bell peppers. You mix rice, beans, and spices and then stuff them into halved bell peppers. Bake until tender for a colorful and nutritious meal. And then number 13, sheet pan veggies and sausage. Roasted sliced sausage with potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers on a sheet pan. It's one pan, super easy, and no cleanup. Number 14, pasta and peanut sauce. Now you can cook the pasta, toss it with a simple sauce made of peanut butter, soy sauce, a little honey or vinegar, and shredded carrots or bell peppers for crunch. And next is 15, quesadilla. Okay, all you need to get is some tortillas, some cheese, and you can add any leftover meat, beans, or veggies you have on hand. It's crisp and it's quick. How about number 16? Breakfast for dinner. Omelets, pancakes, scrambled eggs with toast. Breakfast items are often cheaper and just as filling for a cozy meal at night. Number 17, chili mac. Combine macaroni with canned chili or beans, tomatoes, some cheese. It's one pot meals that both are hearty and affordable. And number 18 is tuna salad sandwiches. Canned tuna, a bit of mayo, some chopped celery or pickles if you have them on hand, and spread it on some bread or stuff it into lettuce wraps for a low-cost meal. Number 19, tomato soup with grilled cheese, one of my favorites, an affordable classic. You pair creamy tomato soup with a crispy, melty grilled cheese for a comforting dinner. And we have made it to number 20, which is lentil tacos. Swap out the meat for seasoned lentils and enjoy them in tortillas with your favorite taco toppings. Tasty and very budget friendly. And there you have it, guys. There is 20 budget-friendly meals to save you money without sacrificing flavor. Let me know in the comments which one of these you're going to try out first. And share your own favorite cheap meals. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, the bell, and that way you never miss more savings, tips, and inspirational videos here. If you want me to cover a subject, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be popping up about right now. Let me know which one of those meals were your favorite or you're going to try, or drop a comment below of which one is your favorite so we can all grow together. And thank you guys again for subscribing to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Don't forget, the sun always rises. See you in the next video.